Landing! Hey guys, welcome back. So today we've got the C14. This was my C24. I've just done a quick body swap with the budget MN electronics, and I've also installed the, I don't know if you can see it, the MN260. Let me flip this around for you. I've got the MN260 in there now as well. So my previous videos when I took the C24 out with these electronics, the 180 was very jolty indeed. So yeah, we're going to hit the trail, and yeah, we're going to see if that new bigger motor improves the performance. Hopefully it's a lot less jolty. That was a mouthful. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell, guys. Let's hit the trail. So already I'm not having to be as subtle on the trigger as normal. A lot slower now, which is what I'm after. We're looking for slow and controlled. See how it copes on the hill. Straight up, no problem. Yeah, I highly recommend these little WPL trucks for going out and having some fun on the trail. Very cheap, very effective. And yeah, I'm already enjoying the slow control aspect that I'm getting out of the new motor. Very tricky line here, across the rock bed and up steep incline the other side. Now my last video where I had the C24-1 with the ready to run tyres, it struggled to get up this hill. So today I've got soft kit tyres with foams in. I'm going to see if that makes any difference. So straight up. Landing! We're going to come up here, across all this tricky bumpy stuff, get all the way to the top up here, then we're going to come back down, up the incline, and then we'll take on the tree line. That's seen quite a bit on this channel. Very fun little capable trucks, these little WPLs. I am a massive fan. Woohoo, nearly. Slow and steady. Quarter stick. If you're not careful with the MNs, you get a lot of toppling. Look at the very top heavy character of that truck. The C14 and C24 seem to handle it very well. Oi! Trigger happy. The nice tree line we got here. I'm gonna go up and we'll come back through it as well. Those soft kit tyres give in ample grip. Change my line. Stay tight to the left hand tree. There we go. Oh! How did I not see that branch? Yes, very happy. Just a quick one from me today, guys. I'm very happy on how that 260 upgrade has improved the rig. There's a couple of things you need to look out for when installing it. I'll leave the video up here. The drive shaft lengths can be an issue, and you also have to do some trimming. So make sure, if you want to get the MN260 into your C series, give that video a watch. I'll be leaving the links for the products in the description below for the MN Electrics kit and the MN260. I'll also leave a link as well for the C14 if any of you guys are interested in that. So yeah, like I said, just a quick one. Cheers for watching. I'm going to hit some trails now off camera. Catch you on the next one.